Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log in to Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose Create a new wallet to start. You'll need to read and accept the terms of service. The most crucial step is to back up your 12-word recovery phrase, write it down and store it safely, as it's your only way to restore your funds. If you already have a Trust Wallet, accessing it is straightforward. Simply open the application and select I already have a wallet. You will then be prompted to enter your 12-word recovery phrase. It's vital to type these words in the exact order they were given to you during your initial setup. After successfully entering the phrase, you can set a new passcode or enable biometric security for quick and secure access. Protecting your Trust Wallet is paramount. Remember, your 12-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Always enable all security features, including a strong passcode and biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID. Be extremely cautious of phishing scams and suspicious links. Finally, keep your Trust Wallet application updated to the newest version for the best security enhancements. Encountering issues with your Trust Wallet can be frustrating, but solutions are often simple. If transactions are slow, first check your internet connection. If you're having trouble restoring your wallet, meticulously double-check every word of your recovery phrase for typos or incorrect order. For common questions, the official Trust Wallet support page is an excellent resource. If you need more personalized help, reach out to their customer support team directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.